Hello friends, today's topic worst performing mutual funds also is profitable. I am Dr. Bharat Chandra. Purpose of the video is Financial Educational Society. All investors are interested in getting the highest possible returns. We often receive questions such as, please suggest 5 stocks to invest for long term. Give me a list of 5 mutual funds to do SIP for long term. Which fund is best for 5 years investment, etc. Although selecting the best mutual fund or stock is a good idea, what is best now may not stay the best always. For example, a stock that you have selected currently may be doing well, but after 2 years it may face some problems and may not do as well as in the past. Similarly, in mutual funds, the top funds may keep changing every year. It is impossible and not profitable to keep changing our stocks or mutual funds every year. As investors, we need to broadly find out and invest in stocks or mutual funds which have been quite consistent and done well in the long term. They may or may not be the best stock or mutual fund, but over the period, if they have given reasonably good returns, you are likely to achieve your financial goals in life. For example, the best mutual fund in a category may have given an average of 15.2% and your fund may have given 13.9% per annum average. This is still okay since nobody knew a few years back that the particular fund will give you 15.2. As long as fund is broadly beating most of the funds and even the index, it is worth holding. Many times, investors jump from one mutual fund to another. When you jump to the other fund, your older fund may do well and the new fund may become dull. You might have experienced even in the stocks. Grass is always greener on the other side. In this video, we have done a study of the worst performing mutual fund schemes in various categories. You will get many insights from this data of SIPs for last 10 years. Worst performing funds in various categories, rupees 5,000 SIP for 10 years. Category large cap fund, CAGR 11.45, total investment 6 lakhs, corpus after 10 years 10.78 lakhs. Mid cap fund, CAGR 15.03, total investment 6 lakhs and corpus after 10 years SIP 13.02 lakhs. Small cap fund, CAGR 13.71, total investment 6 lakhs, corpus after 10 years 12.14 lakhs. Flexi cap fund, CAGR 11.33, total investment 6 lakhs, corpus after 10 years 10.71 lakhs. Index fund, CAGR 12.42%, total investment 6 lakhs, corpus after 10 years SIP 11.34 lakhs. Now coming to worst performing funds in various categories, 5,000 SIP for 10 years, aggressive hybrid fund, CAGR 10.06%, total investment 6 lakhs, corpus after 10 years SIP 10.02 lakhs. Dynamic asset allocation, CAGR 8.15%, total investment 6 lakhs, corpus after 10 years 9.07 lakhs. Conservative hybrid, CAGR 5.85%, total investment 6 lakhs, corpus after 10 years 8.06 lakhs. Our observations and comments. Number 1. Even worst performing funds have given quite good returns when SIP is done for the last 10 years. 2. However, to get higher returns and be among the top few funds, you will need to do a lot of research, monitoring or take the help of a AMFI registered mutual fund distributor. Number 3. You have to select the category of funds based on your risk appetite and not based on which funds give highest returns. If you select the funds with higher risk than you are capable of taking, you may panic and either stop SIPs or sell during bear market or market crash. Observation number 4. You will need to select a combination of 2 to 4 different category of funds which suit your risk appetite. 5. To create wealth in stocks or mutual funds, you have to stay disciplined and be patient. Selecting best stocks or funds and not monitoring them and not holding for long term will not create wealth. Here is an announcement. ಷೇರುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಏಕೆ ಲಾಭ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ? ಒಂದು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ 30th April, Wednesday at 9:15 p.m. on Dr. Bharat Chandra Institute Kannada channel. Now, the sixth observation. A long investment in a decent fund is better than a short period of investment in a leading fund. 7. There will always be better stocks and funds than what you hold. You need to decide whether investments are broadly doing well. Nobody is likely to hold the best stock and mutual fund always. End of the video. Here is the question. Write one sentence of the lesson you learned from this video. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.